Folks, pretty good rain falling briefly in the upper valley this afternoon, but it has since moved out. All that's left up here around San Ysidro coming down pretty good. All moving to the northwest relatively quickly. This is the area that got the heavy rain for a time. Look at that moving through. McAllen got a shower, then another one came through Alamo, San Juan, and far south side of Edinburg, and that has since moved away. Not much left. Doppler estimated rainfall totals show about 7/10 of an inch on the north side of Pharr. We've got ground truth, central Pharr and downtown Pharr, two separate reports of about 6/10 of an inch south of the expressway, just a little bit more on the north side, and then back toward West McAllen about 4/10 of an inch, and south of Alamo about a half an inch there, but very isolated. Most places stayed rain free. This is the bigger picture, and you can see how most of the day was quiet, and then late this afternoon, boom, stuff fires up, moves to the northwest, and it's gone. All that's left, just a little bit of cloud cover. Let's watch future track. Most of tonight is quiet. During the daytime tomorrow, again, partly sunny skies, spotty showers fire up on the sea breeze again, much like today. Maybe not the same locations, but spotty showers will pop up again. Let's jump forward to Thursday now, and again, partly sunny skies. Could be an isolated shower, thunder shower. I think there's a little more moisture on Thursday, so it could be just a little bit more active. Not dramatically so, but a little bit. And then Friday, the model stops at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, still with partly sunny skies. But I think late in the day Friday, there's a decent chance for some showers, even a thunder shower or two. So we're going 20%, and then 40 on Friday, and that carries over into Saturday as well. Temperature-wise, here's where we stand. 97 still in Rio Grande City, but the rest of the valley in the 80s. 88 Port Isabel and Brownsville, 85 Harlingen and Raymondville, 88, 89 across Hidalgo County. Low temperatures tonight for the most part, upper 70s. Patchy fog, maybe, not a lot. And then tomorrow we're back up into the 90s again. But once we get to these levels, you got to watch for a shower or thunderstorm to develop. Southeast winds about 8 to 16. Here's a look at the next 3 days temperature-wise, 95, 94, 92. As we increase the rain chance, we bring the temperatures down just a little bit. Records are all up over 100. Rest of Texas, pretty quiet today. Not much going on. Scattered showers out west, the remnants of that same system that brought us all the rain over the weekend. That continues to push away. High pressure kind of controlling things from, well, let's say, centered over Arkansas, but the flow around that southeast. So that gives us moisture that's going to stick around, probably increase just a little bit as we get into the end of the week. And here comes this trough, this dash line. That's a little cool down in the upper atmosphere pushing in our direction. The winds out ahead of that favor the development of showers Friday, probably into Saturday as well. We're going about 40% for both days. There's a front on the map. Don't get excited about that one. That's not going to get here. The long-range models, which we'll talk about more in the next half hour, do suggest a front in the neighborhood the end of next week. We'll see. The rest of the Atlantic, quiet right now. Nothing from here to Africa. We've got Helene out there. No big deal with that. And then this system, the remnants of Isaac, no longer a tropical entity per se. The Hurricane Center not putting a circle around it or anything, but that moisture will continue westward. So there's a chance that could enhance our shower threat over the weekend as well. At the coast, southeast winds 10 to 15 knots, a moderate chop on the bay. UV is very high. High temperature tomorrow at the island about 90 with a low risk of rip currents. The seas are only about a foot or two. So tonight we bottom out at 78, partly cloudy skies, warm and humid. Southeast winds, that shower in Starr County will fade away. Then tomorrow we're back to 95, plenty of sunshine, mainly dry again. Like today, mainly dry. Most of the valley's dry, and if you do get rained on, it's brief. It comes in and it gets out. Our chance of rain tomorrow about 20%, but I think there will be rain in a few spots. It's just pretty isolated like it was today. Spotty showers on Thursday, a slightly better chance Friday into Saturday. Saturday officially fall begins. It's not going to feel like it. It's going to warm up for a few days after that. But again, the long-range model's hinting it may be something, maybe the end of next week. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.